Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something truly innovative. Something that's changing the way people think about travel and tiny living. The 2025 Tricycle Camper. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road without worrying about fuel prices, registration, or towing a bulky RV, this might just be your perfect solution. It's a lightweight, pedal-powered camper on 3 wheels, designed for eco-friendly adventures and off-grid freedom. Whether you're planning to camp in the woods, explore small towns, or live a minimalist, nomadic lifestyle, this compact unit gives you all the essentials without sacrificing comfort or mobility. Asterisk. The exterior of the 2025 model has been completely redesigned. It now features a sleek aerodynamic shell made of durable, insulated fiberglass that's weather-resistant and energy-efficient. This new model can handle hot summers and cold nights, thanks to improved thermal insulation that keeps the interior temperature balanced without the need for constant electricity. The camper is mounted on a heavy-duty trike chassis, with fat tires for better stability and smoother riding, even on gravel or rougher paths. The gear-assisted drivetrain makes pedaling more efficient, and you can even opt for an electric motor. Assist with a built-in lithium-ion battery powered by foldable solar panels. This makes long-distance travel not only possible but also incredibly sustainable. Asterisk. When you step inside the camper, you'll be amazed by how much is packed into such a small space. The layout has been optimized for both utility and comfort. The sleeping area converts into a bench for daytime use, with high-density foam cushions that double as a mattress. A fold-out desk lets you work on your laptop, draw, write, or read. And there's plenty of smart storage built into the walls and under the bed, for clothes, food, tools, and gear. The camper also includes a modular kitchenette with a compact sink, countertop space, and room for a mini propane or electric stove. There's a small water tank and optional gray water collection for eco-conscious users. Asterisk. The lighting system is entirely LED-based, and the roof includes a skylight that provides natural light during the day and a view of the stars at night. A USB fan helps circulate air, and you can upgrade to a mini 12 volts cooling unit for summer travel. One of the coolest new features is the integrated power system, a solar-charged battery bank that powers your lights, charges your devices, and can even support a small fridge or cooler. There's no generator needed, and no need to plug into external power unless you want to. Asterisk. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Tricycle Camper includes side mirrors, taillights, brake lights, reflectors, and even turn signals. The shell locks securely when you're away, and there's an emergency exit feature for peace of mind. With a total weight of just around 200 to 250 pounds depending on configuration, it's light enough to maneuver easily, but solid enough to handle real-world travel. Plus, it fits in most bike lanes and urban areas. No special permits or RV sites required. Asterisk. This camper is ideal for so many people: solo travelers who want to live on the road, college students looking for affordable shelter, retired explorers who want to take it slow, or even urban dwellers who want a mobile studio or reading nook. The flexibility is unmatched. You can park it at a lake, in your backyard, or next to a remote hiking trail. You can even use it as an emergency shelter or backup guest room. Asterisk. As for pricing, the 2025 Tricycle Camper starts at $4,999 USD, with optional upgrades like solar kits, electric motors, rainwater catch systems, extra insulation, or custom interiors. You can fully personalize your setup based on your travel goals, climate,